with Obadiah's. Today we are going to cook on the North Wood Cookstove. So I'm also currently baking in the oven right now. So as you can see, my fire is a lot lower. This is not burning full blast right now. The reason for that is because I have stuff in the oven that has to bake at 350. This oven will easily reach 550 degree temperature, no problem, on a high burn. So obviously my cooktop temperature will also vary as well. So if you have one of these digital temperatures, this is really helpful to have. Or also, if you're cooking on a cooktop, you can also get a stovetop thermometer as well, which kind of helps you gauge the temperature difference. So right now, directly over the firebox on this cook plate, I've got 418 degree temperature. Directly over the oven here, our cooktop is at 280 degrees. Okay, so that kind of gives you a difference between the temperature range. So today I'm gonna make macaroni and cheese, and this is actually pre-made mac and cheese. Between baking bread today and work, I just honestly sometimes make a lot of prepared meals. So this is similar to like a Bertolli type of pasta, pre-made frozen pasta. Basically, you'll put it in a pan. It requires a medium to low setting, so it's also perfect for my cooking, and it'll remain covered. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sit it here for now and talk to you guys a little bit about cooking on a wood cook stove. One of the main questions I get a lot of questions is, what kind of pans should I be using and can I use on a wood cook stove? And honestly, this North stove, it just has a flat painted black cooktop, so you're really not going to damage it, and if you do, it's really easy to repair. You can easily just repaint it with a high temp stove paint. So honestly, I would say it depends on your preference. For me in general, I tend to cook in stainless steel pans, probably because that's the way I was raised. Some people prefer cast iron. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. Any type of pan on a wood cook stove is fine to use. Honestly, personal preference. So some cooktops that'll have like a porcelain finish, if you're using heavy cast iron pans, you wouldn't want to, just pull it and slide it across the cooktop because you could scratch it. So you would physically want to lift it around and move it that way. Otherwise, some of these cooktops have removable plates. If you wanted to do wok style cooking, we could take off that and drop it down into the firebox. But for today, we're just making simple mac and cheese, so I'll keep you updated on my progress and let you know how it turns out. Update on the mac and cheese. It is simmering quite hot, and this is directly over the firebox, but I did actually add another log because my oven temperature was starting to drop as my fire was going out. So this is what's nice about having a wood cook range. You've got multiple temperatures. If it gets too hot over there, move it from one side to the other. Overall, I think it's looking pretty good. This is buffalo mac and cheese, and it is gluten-free. So I think I added a little extra water to it, so I'm just kind of waiting for that to evaporate out, and then it'll be ready to eat. So wood cooking, even on your cooktop, it's amazing how differently your food actually turns out. Just something about cooking on a wood cook stove, your food tastes so much better. And if you are, a pretty serious cooking connoisseur, most cookers do prefer cooking on gas versus cooking on an electric range. So this is, kind of similar, where you get that direct flame exposure if you want it, in your cooking. You can see here how hot this fire is burning right now. You're cooking right above that. And it is good. I am very excited. Here's a topic I'd like to point out, spills. So I just spilled this mac and cheese right on the edge of my cooktop. I want to clean this up immediately. If I don't, it will bake on there. So just kind of keep that in mind. You can get some splatters. I got a few here. These ones that are directly over the cooktop like that, it's too hot for me to clean it, so that is something that I'll do once the stove cools down before I fire it again. but that's just general maintenance. And here we have our finished product. Buffalo chicken mac and cheese cooked on the North Wood Cookstove. And I have sampled it. It is delicious. As always, thank you guys for watching our videos. If you guys hit thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the more likes and the more subscribers we get, the more videos we will continue to produce. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.